Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I will show you iPhone brightness is full but iPhone display is still on dark. A lot of iPhone users facing this kind of issue after new iOS update. So if you're also facing this kind of issue that your iPhone screen brightness is full but your iPhone showing display like dim light. So in this video I will show you how to fix. So first of all you need to check your iPhone dark mode. If you are turn on dark mode, just turn it off. You can see right now I have turn off dark mode and you can see a person's screen brightness is increased. But a lot of iPhone users still facing even they don't use dark mode. So how to fix? First of all, you need to check the iPhone display setting, tap on settings. Okay, after tapping the setting you need to tap on display. Okay, and brightness, you can see a person's screen true tone. Make sure your true tone is not turn on. If it's turn on, just turn it off and scroll down below. Now you can see a personal screen. Here are showing night shift. Okay, make sure this option is also turn off and not set any of schedule. Okay, if it's already turned off, then move to the next some setting. There are some main setting you must change. If it's turned on, just tap on settings again, tap on accessibility again. Now you can see a personal screen display and text size. Okay, tap on that. Now you can see appears on screen. Here are showing many options. Make sure all these settings set up like this iPhone. Now you can see appears on screen. Here are showing smart invert. Make sure it's also turn off. Now tap on color filter. Okay, you can see appears on screen. Make sure it's not also turn on. If it's turn on, just turn it off. Go back. Scroll down below. Now you can see appears on screen reduce white point. Okay, make sure this option is also turn off. If it's turn on, your screen brightness is automatically like a dim display, and you can see appears on screen auto brightness is also turn off. Okay, by these simple settings you can see appears on screen right now. If I tap and turn it on, you can see appears on screen a major change showing here right now in iPhone display. Okay, so friends, after watching this video I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone brightness is full but iPhone showing the less brightness. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.